Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Okay, today is a quiz session. So let's start. What is the meaning of Arabic word Quran?
Recitation.
Ayatul Kursi is present in which surah?
Surah Al-Baqarah.
Which animal is spoke in the Quran?
The ant in Surah Naml.
Who was the first muezzin in Islam?
Hazrat Bilal ibn Rabah.
On which day was Prophet Adam al-Islam created?
Friday.
Which prophet had control on the jinns and was able to talk the animals?
Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam.
Who will get their books on right hand on the day of judgment?
The true believers.
Who was the Umar ibn Abdul Aziz?
He was the 8th Umayyad Caliph and great-grandson of Umar ibn al-Khattab.
Which surah has two sajda?
Surah Hajj.
Which uncle of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not accept Islam?
Abu Lahab.
What is the name of tribes of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Quraysh.
Which important event mentioned in Surah Bani Israel in Quran?
Al-Mihraj, the night journey of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
What is the meaning of dawah?
To invite people towards worshipping Allah alone.
What will be the first question to be asked on the day of judgment?
About Salah.
What is the most significant quality of a Muslim to get success in the world and akhirah?
A beautiful character.
A way of life, a way of life, a way of life, a way of life. Islam is a way of life, a complete way.